So I actually had to stop my makeup midway through to tell you about this blush. So this is the Estee Lauder. This is the Futuristic Blushmaker. And in this is in the shade Stone. Or Across the Dance Floor. I thought it was... Anyway. This is in the shade... Definitely it is Stolen Glances. So this is kind of that like rosy mid-tone like blush. But what I love too is about this is such a precise applicator. If you can see, it is like needlepoint. So this was actually a gift to me from the brand, but it's always I'm making my honest opinion. So what I love too is I love to put a precise amount, and you can go in with your finger and kind of blot it in if you want more, I guess, of an intense look. Or you go in with your blush or brush and apply it. But this is such an easy buildable kind of formula that gives you that dewy hydrated look that I absolutely love, as you can see. So especially now too in the winter, my skin is so dry. So some blushes really can look like very cakey on the skin. But this just like gives me that like dewy hydration that I love, as you can see. And it's such a beautiful color. So, normally I am in the fair range. I am in the fair, not even light. I'm in the fair. So, this is definitely my perfect shade. But definitely you can build this up. And even sometimes I do use some blushes over powder to give it a more like finished, intense look. And I don't find that, especially if I apply it with a brush, that I can get away with it. So, if you're looking for a beautiful blush, this is definitely the one that I've been loving.